Akihigura kiongano kia mawakiri bũrũri-inĩ ya Commonwealth Association of Legislative Council, wakiri munene Riendekithia nĩikĩtĩrĩtana kũrĩ thirikari ya William Ruto akienda nyongerera ya aruti a wera wabici ciake cia gĩthirikari.
Kweli kuna uhaba wa wafanyikazi mawakili wale niko nao pale katika ofisi ya mkuu wa sheria, ni hata hawajafika nusu ya wale ambao hata watu wanaitwa Public Service Commission walipeana nafasi mwaka wa 2020 mpaka sasa hatujafikia half ya wale tunahitaji. Lakini hizo challenges nazijua ni gapi, na kwa sababu kazi yangu huwa ni napendekeza sana kuhakikisha kwamba human resource in any institution that I lead must be of top notch.
Niaugite riu niarĩkĩtie kwamũkĩra rũtha kuma kwa thirikari nene rwa kũhingũra wabici harĩ kaunti ciothe 47, akiuga itua rĩrĩ nĩrĩgũteithĩrĩria harĩ gũkinyĩria ũtungata kũrĩ muingi.
We are only in 13 regions in Kenya, but 3 months ago I got cabinet approval to establish in every county the office of the Attorney General. So because there's devolution, I firmly believe in devolution. So kama tuna devolve, kwa sababu najua kipengele cha chita kinasema every national state organ must devolve its services to the lowest possible level. So the office of the Attorney General needs to devolve. Na ndio sababu nikapeleka lile pendekezo katika baraza la mawaziri na ikaidhinishwa.
Na nĩguo gũtigĩra wĩra nĩ warutĩkana njĩra njega, Wakiri.Muturi nĩathiĩte na mbere kuga nĩaigĩte mawatho marũmu wabici-inĩ ciothe gũtigĩra Akenya othe nĩ matungatĩrwo ũrĩa kwagĩrĩire.
In the year 2020, I wasn't there. So I even don't believe that is what should be there. An office like the one here in Mombasa, ukijua wale wanasheria niko na hapa ni wachache sana. Hapa natakiwa kuwa na karibu wanasheria kama 20.
Muthia itua rĩa Akenya gũthiaga magoti-inĩ gwetha ũtungata nĩrĩgwetetwo arĩ njĩra ĩmwe ya wĩyathi mwerũ gũkũ Muturi akĩhoya Akenya gũtigagĩrĩra nĩ makorwo makĩheana mawoni mao kũrĩ imwe ya mĩbango ya thirikari nene.
Even our own judiciary, if you ask them what is enough public participation, they will not tell you what is enough. One judge will say this, another one will say the other. But I have been to very many parts of the world. In fact, here in Kenya, we are just getting excited about this whole concept of public participation. In many advanced democracies, all that they do, they put something on their websites. It is deemed that the public has been given notice that there is this legislative proposal.
Ngĩribotera Munigi TV, Geto Wairimo wa Kimani.
Nĩ ngatho Wairimo wa Kimani nĩ tondũ wa